We're looking at the second half now of part B for Old Bone Blues. And it starts with the fret 1 to fret 2 slide. I'm going to suggest using your first finger. Remember to let both notes ring. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you use your ring finger. 1 and 2 and 3. And you can see over there I'm ending up with finger 1 and 3. One's on the first string. Ring fingers on the second string. But you want to make sure that when you play after the slide, there's your slide, there's the 3, and you want to hear both strings at the same time. So those two bars, and then you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. And that's quite simple. Open first and second string, bar it, strings 2 and 3. You can use double finger, but I find the first finger so much easier. Then it's open, and there's a little upside down arc there from the double 0, which is the opens, and that's the first finger hitting on or hammering on. So you're going to play the opens, hammer on the 1, and then middle finger comes in for the 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Simple as that. The last one is going to be double open again, double 2 again, and then just hasn't got the 2 at the end. Next line. This is the last line of part B. It's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now listen for the silent rests. That's very, very important. The examiners are going to make sure that you got your rests there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I'm actually just using my finger to tap the strings. So after I play the 0, my hand just mutes it like that. Simple. Okay. Then you're going to do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's finger 1 and finger 2 on strings 2 and 1 in frets 2 and 3. Okay, that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Watch it for the rests, which now disappear in the third bar, and it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then there's a rest. Okay, so it's double 0. Make sure that both strings ring. There's a 3 0, 2 0, 1 0, last bar, open 0, and then the B7 chord, which starts with first finger on the 4th string, middle finger on the 5th string, ring finger to the 3rd, pinky to the 1st string, and that's B7. And then you go to part C, which is the guitar solo. We'll see you in the video later.